This creamy vegetable soup is the best thing you can prepare in this season, and in case your mom didn't teach you how to make it, I'm going to show you. In a pot, add bell pepper, celery root, potatoes, give the soup a creamy appearance, carrots, onions, and bring to a boil. I add boiling water to speed up the process. While the vegetables are cooking, cut the bread into cubes and put in the oven. After the vegetables are boiled, remove half of the water from the vegetables and blend the vegetables until you get a homogeneous cream. Add seasoning, a generous amount of butter, and mix again. Then add the rest of the water while mixing the soup. And voila! The creamiest, yummiest, and healthiest soup you could ever try. Just look at this consistency, it's so perfect. Don't forget to serve it with this spread croutons, and don't forget also to give me a like if you like this recipe. Buon appetit, family!